Welcome to Just the Good Bits. Today we're going to review the Big Bite, LEM Big Bite number 8 meat grinder. Let's show you what comes in the box. First you get a booklet and an extra bearing to go on the back. You get the grinder itself. You get 3 plastic stuffing nozzles. You get the head naturally, which goes in here like this. And you want to loosen the bolt all the way before you go in. Line it up. And when you start tightening it, jiggle it, make sure you get it in there straight and it goes in all the way. Now, this thing goes on. The bearing goes on here in the back. This goes in, and this is why they call it Big Bite technology here. You see in the auger here, it has a wider gap right here than it does here. That's the Big Bite technology that they brag about that makes this thing so special, besides the build quality. Slips in all the way. And that's the meat cutting blade, and it goes in like so. And your first grind, according to the manufacturer, should be with a coarse blade. See the big holes? That's coarse. And it goes into the notch in the bottom. And then the collar goes on. Now, we're going to put this on. This is for your hopper for your meat. It also comes with 2 other plates. This is the fine plate for your second grind and final grind. And this is a sausage stuffing plate. So if you're making sausage of this and want to use all the steps for sausage with the LEM here, you're going to use the coarse grind plate, the fine grind plate for the final grind, and then you're going to put this plate on with one of your stuffing tubes. You got 3 sizes here, depending on the casing you're using, etc. On with the review on the LEM Big Bite number 8 grinder. We've got 17 pounds of pork butt, most of it cut up in large chunks like they have on the video, and we're going to see how well this grinds. Let's give it a go. Faster than I can stop it. Haven't used the plunger yet. You got big pieces like we showed in the videos. Slow them down. That's no time at all. 17 pounds in 2 minutes by my estimate. And the only reason it took 2 minutes because I'm slower than the machine. I could not keep up. In short, the LEM Big Bite number 8 produces everything they said and then some. I gave a thumbs up on it. Highly recommend it. If you're in the market and this is in your price range, I say get it. Awesome product. Thank you, LEM. Look for the link down below where I purchased it. You might find it's the best price. Thank you. Like and subscribe, please.